In today's video, we're going to take a deep dive into Python operators. Operators are essential building blocks in any programming language, and Python is no exception. They help us manipulate data, perform calculations, and control the flow of our programs. Whether you're new to Python or just need a refresher, this video will cover everything from basic arithmetic to more complex logical and bitwise operations. So let's get started. In Python, operators are special symbols or keywords used to perform operations on variables or values. They define how variables and values interact with each other and let us perform various operations like calculations, comparisons, assignments, and more. There are several types of operators in Python, and we will be exploring all of them. These include arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators, bitwise operators. Operators are used everywhere in programming, so knowing how to use them effectively is crucial for writing clean, readable, and efficient code. Let's start with arithmetic operators. These operators perform mathematical operations on numbers. You're probably already familiar with most of these from basic math, but Python provides a few extra ones. Here is a breakdown of Python's arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and many more. Python follows the order of operations, known as PEMDAS, so you can combine these operators to form complex expressions. Next, let's look at assignment operators. These are used to assign values to variables. The basic assignment operator is the is equal to sign, but there are shorthand operators that allow you to perform an operation and assign the result back to the same variable. Some examples are shown below. These shorthand operators make your code more concise and readable. They are extremely useful when you need to update the value of a variable based on its current value. Now, let's move on to comparison operators. These are used to compare two values and determine the relationship between them. They return Boolean values, true or false. Comparison operators are particularly useful in conditional statements like if, elif, and else, allowing us to control the flow of the program based on whether a condition is met. Python logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine multiple conditions. These are often used with comparison operators to form complex conditional statements. There are three logical operators in Python: and, or, and not. Some examples are given below. These logical operators are crucial when you need to check for multiple conditions. You can combine them to build more complex decision-making logic in your code. Next, let's discuss identity operators. These compare the memory locations of two objects to determine if they are the same object in memory. The is and is not operators are used for identity comparison. Identity operators are helpful for checking if two variables point to the same object in memory, especially when working with mutable types like lists. Finally, let's talk about bitwise operators. These are used for low-level bit manipulation and are typically used with integer types. Bitwise operators allow you to operate on individual bits of a number. Here is a rundown of the bitwise operators: and, or, XOR, not, left shift, and right shift. Bitwise operators are mainly used in low-level programming, encryption, and specialized algorithms where manipulating bits directly is necessary. Lastly, let's talk about operator precedence. Operator precedence determines the order in which operations are evaluated in an expression. Python follows the standard PEMDAS-BODMAS rules. Parentheses have the highest precedence, followed by exponentiation, multiplication, division, and finally addition-subtraction. Understanding operator precedence ensures that your expressions evaluate as you expect. You can always use parentheses to make the order explicit. Practice exercise. Which operator is used for exponentiation in Python? The is equal to operator is used for subtraction in Python. In Python, operators are symbols that perform operations on one or more operands, enabling you to manipulate data in various ways. Let's take a quick look at the key types of operators you'll be using. Comparison operators like double equals check if two values are equal, not equals checks if they are not, and others like greater, lesser, greater than equal, and lesser than equal let you compare values for greater, lesser, or equality conditions. Logical operators like and, or, and not help you combine conditions. And returns true only if both conditions are true, or if at least one is true, and not reverses the condition. For arithmetic operators, you have the basic ones like plus, minus, multiply, divide. Bitwise operators allow you to manipulate individual bits of numbers.